Good morning, dear students. We are going to do practice workbook worksheet 43, page number 51. Question B. Pick out the verbs in the following sentences and say whether they are transitive or intransitive. So before that, let me tell you, a transitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which passes over from the subject to an object. Another way is, verbs that takes an object to complete their meaning are called transitive verbs, and verbs that do not take an object to complete their meaning are called intransitive verbs. We can recognize transitive and intransitive verb by finding objects. How can we find objects? We can find object by asking what or to whom. You can see here examples. The boy kicked the football. First of all, underline the verb kicked. Then ask question by coming up to the verb kicked. The boy kicked what? The answer is football. When you are getting answer to the question what, the object is said to be direct object and it is always non-living. So here the verb kicked is transitive. Now second, he ran a long distance. Underline ran. Ask question, he ran what? No answer. A long distance is not an object because here ran, the verb, denotes an action and the action does not pass from subject to object. So it is intransitive. Number 3, he spoke the truth. Underline spoke. Ask question, he spoke what? The answer is the truth. It is transitive. The horse kicked the man. Underline kicked. Ask question, the horse kicked what? No answer. You can ask question, to whom? The man. Here the man is indirect object and it is always living. So the meaning is, you can get either indirect object or direct object and then you can decide whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. Now let's see question 5. The driver did not stop the train. Underline stop. Ask question, the driver did not stop what? The answer is the train. It is transitive because you are getting direct object, the train. Number 6, the clock stopped this morning. Underline stop, the verb. Ask question, the clock stopped what? No answer. To whom? No answer. This morning is not the answer to the question what and to whom. This morning is the answer to the question when. So it is not an object. So it is intransitive. Number 7, his father gave him a cricket bat. Gave is the verb. Ask question, his father gave what? A cricket bat. A cricket bat is an object and it is direct object because it is non-living. His father gave to whom? Him. Him is indirect object and it is living. So in one sentence there can be two objects. One direct object that you can find by asking question what, and indirect object that you can find by asking question to whom. Number 8, they have learnt their lessons. Here learnt is verb. You can ask question, they have learnt what? Their lessons. You are getting the answer. So it is transitive. Number 9, she laughs. Underline the verb laughs and ask question, she laughs what? No answer. So it is intransitive. Number 10, he went home. He went what? No answer. Home is the answer of where. We don't want answer of where. Only we want answers of what and to whom. So it is intransitive.